Hello everyone, this is Road to Sky, and in this video we are going to talk about this question, particularly how to know which is the ideal layout for the connection of centers. This is a question, and its question is in our Telegram group. A question, various of questions asked on this. Particularly there were two solutions which majorly came to know in this layout. I will show you here. First one was this. This solution contains the answers were two. First one was a star topology and a bus topology. But the question is which one is better, because many of them says that this should contains a bus topology, which is a correct answer, but they could not explain it well. So I am explaining it. In this layout, first we have to know the layout. This is a business building, technology school, admin and a law school. Their distances between them is here, and this circle represent number of computers. For the ideal layout on this, the question was suggest an ideal layout for connecting the centers for a wired connectivity. For wired connection, we should use a cable length which is shorter. Because we are dealing with wired connection, we should minimize the cost of cables, because cables are costly. We can increase the quality of cables by using from twisted pair cable to optical fibers, but we have to first know what is the ideal or good network design. So it is on my notes in the Telegram group. I will tell you that for a small network, this work like this for 115 meters. The maximum distance here is 115 meters. So for a small network, it's not about kilometers, it's about only few meters, few hundred meters. So this is small network. And for LAN design, this is also a LAN design because local area network. So for good network design, we use 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule says that in a properly designed small to medium sized network environment, 80% of the traffic on the given network segment is local, and not more than 20% of the network traffic should be need to move across the backbone. Now we have to first know the solutions. Let me tell you the first approach, first answer that would consider many of you. One will prefer this layout. This layout says that because admin has maximum numbers of computers, say 125 computers, among all of them they have lesser number of computers, so that server should be placed here. An ideal layout should be like this because maximum traffic should go from admin, and this is a star topology. The reason would be prefer that admin contains maximum number of computers, that is 125, so maximum traffic goes to admin. That is why we would prefer this layout, but that's not actually a correct answer. Many one will confuse in it. This is not a correct answer. The correct answer, the reason that it is not correct answer is this. Cable length is 185 meters, which is far beyond the distance between two buildings, which is too large for a small network. You can't put cables for a long. This will maximize the cost, and to minimize the cost, we should always prefer that our main and the basic goal is to minimize the cost based upon the elements that does not compromise the establishment and availability requirement. So we will not go in this layout. We will switch into another layout. See this. This is a far more simpler layout than this one. This layout is simply connected from admin to technology school to the business block and the law school. The reason here is the cable length required to connect buildings through this layout is only 125 meters, because this length was 60 meters, this length was 40 meters, and this was 25 meters. Our approach is to minimize the cable length because we are not here to place the server. For placing server, we should count for a maximum numbers of computers and place that admin contains maximum number of computers, so we will always try to put a server there. But we are not dealing with servers, we are dealing with layout, and layout talks about this. Because of 80-20 rule, the maximum traffic would go from here, but not all the traffic, because it will overload and the admin overload the admin block. So we would maximize the cable, minimize the cable length, minimize the cost, maximize the traffic, but with a suitable layout. These are the key factors, and to minimize the cost of the network, this layout is suitable. Now if we talk about topology selection, here these two topologies were being talked here. You can easily notify that this one is a bus topology, a simple bus topology, and this one is the star topology. Since why it is a star topology? Star topology is connected with a switch. Admin contains a switch in which all the buildings are being connected. This is star topology. Star topology is far better than the bus topology. It is more efficient, more reliable, but it is for a small network. That means we have to take this bus topology. Bus topology is for smaller networks. Bus topology is for simply connecting with a backbone. Here our backbone is admin. Actually, sorry, our backbone is this wire. These are the 4 computer buildings. All buildings are severely connected here. So this is a bus topology. You can easily Google it. What is the difference between bus topology and a star topology? What is the need of bus topology when we use these topologies? Now let's again back to the topology. You can look here as our first layout. It was like first layout. This is the admin block, and these are the other blocks. So in the bus topology, this is a wire connected with all the computers. Say there are 6 computers, we are not required, there were only 4 computers, just to show you topology. So the correct answer of this question would be this, and the reason of this is here. Total cable length required to connect the buildings throughout the layout is less than this one. So we would prefer this type of layout, and this layout is a bus topology. The question may ask directly about draw the layout or tell the topology between the connection between the buildings. This for the wired connectivity, we would prefer for these kind of topologies. Star 1, bus 1. Star is better, but it is expensive. Bus is quite problem, but it's not expensive. It is easy to use. So we would like to use a less than expensive topology. So our correct answer is this. Thank you very much. If I explained you, comment me if I have made any mistakes, so that I can correct it. And if I have any suggestions on these topics, you can say it to me. You can also join our Telegram group. The questions are there on the daily basis. I try to answer. They are very easy but thinkable on it. Thank you very much.